guys, so today I'll be showing you some items that I got from Aliexpress and Shein. Now I'm gonna go ahead and combine both of them together just because I just got a few pieces from each company. Before I get started, I wanted to give a shout out to my cousin Kelly. She just started her own YouTube channel and it's called Mama Kelly. I'll go ahead and put a link down in my description box for you to check out her YouTube channel, and I'll also put down links to other products that I'm about to show you. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this dress that I got from Shein, and the material is a really thick material. It's almost like scuba material. And if you look here, I'm not sure on camera what it looks like. It might look white, but it's actually a gray, but it's a reflective kind of paneling here. And it has a zipper. The only thing I wish that the zipper, this is a really cute dress, but the only thing I wish was that the zipper was silver. I just think it would look a little bit better with this here. And this one I paid $17 from Shein. Okay, so the next item I'll be showing you, this is from Shein, and it's a leopard print form-fitting tee, long sleeve. It's very stretchy material, polyester material, and I paid $7.07 for it. And just to let you know, everything that I'm showing you is all in size small. This is a snake fitted tee, and it has a nice cutout on the neck. This is what really attracted me. That's the reason why I bought it. It's the same material as the other one. It's polyester, very stretchy. And this one I paid, let me see, I think I paid the same amount, which was $7.07. And the next one is a zipper front bodysuit. It's the same material as the other one, polyester, and very stretchy. And like I said, it's a bodysuit, so it has 3 snaps at the bottom, zipper, and nice white stripe. And it also has a very generous size hood, very stretchy, size small. And this is from Shein. The next one from Shein is this hooded crop top jacket. Nice stretchy polyester material with a zipper up in the front, and it also has a nice hood with it. I paired it with some leggings. I think this would be cute after you went to the gym and you just threw this on if you were going to go somewhere. I think this is so adorable. This next one from Shein is this mesh hooded crop, and as you can see, it has the mesh here, which is what attracted me, with a nice hood, long sleeves, and again I paired it with some leggings. And I think again, if after the gym you just threw this on, it'd be super cute. The material is almost like sweatshirt material, so it's a little warm. And this one I paid $8.35, and I didn't say how much I paid for the other one, which was $10.86. Okay, so the first thing from AliExpress that I got is this bodycon stretchy dress. It has a zipper on the back and very cute ruffles. The only thing is, I think this part for me is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew it in the back and take it in maybe like a ½ inch, just to make it tighter around my shoulders. I don't like when things just keeps falling from you know, up here. But yeah, it's super stretchy. And this one I paid $5.65 for. This 2-piece outfit, and this one is from AliExpress also. It comes with the top, and the material is ribbed material, and it's cotton, and it's very stretchy. Right here is all white, as you can see, but I'm not sure how it's showing on camera, but here it's almost like a cream color, the paneling in between here, and it says my baby made it. And it comes with this adorable skirt with a little bungee cord to make it tighter. The only thing is the bottom, it's a little bit sheer. It's not too bad, but you would have to wear nude underwear just because it's a little sheer. But yeah, this is really cute. And this one I paid $14.94. This one is also a 2-piecer. It's ribbed material. It's a lot thinner than the one that I just showed you previously. It's stretch cotton, and it has these zippers that go from the top and from the bottom. so you can make it as short as you want it from the bottom up and how low, whatever. And it comes with a matching skirt. It's just a plain black rib skirt. There's no anything in the front or anything, but it's super cute. And this one I paid $18. So this was one of the more expensive items that I got. And so the last thing that I got from AliExpress is this snake print dress. It's very slinky, stretchy material, and it has a high neck, a mock turtleneck. But the reason why I bought it is because it has these holes in it for your thumbs, which I thought was super cute. And it's not see-through or anything. I think it fits really good. And this one I paid $10.84, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and order. There was one that was in I think it was in blue, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm gonna go ahead and order that because I just like how it looks, and I like this thumb hole. So that was all the items that I got from Shein and AliExpress. And like I said before, I'll go ahead and put all the links down in my description box. And just a reminder, during this pandemic, when you go out, please wear your mask. Like the saying goes, I protect you, you protect me. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out my Instagram at JuneChristy66. Till next time, bye!